How's it going? I'm Brent. I'm going to show you how to install a towel bar in a bathroom. Now this isn't my favorite job to do, but I got to do it quite a bit. We got to make sure it's nice and level, and we got to make sure that it's good and solid. This one here is a 24-inch. Now it will come with a template. I don't normally use the template. I usually don't use the parts that come with it. Now what do we got in here? So this one actually comes with some decent drywall anchors. So we're pretty good there. These ones, you're basically gonna shove them in the hole like this, and then it's gonna, once you get the screw in there, it springs open and it's a nice solid hold, which is good. A lot of them come with the little small ones. They split open. They have a tendency to pull out really easy. Sometimes I'll use the easy anchor style. It's like a big corkscrew that goes in. I like those. And again, they work great if it's something spread out. Usually with the towel bar, you want to have something a little bit more substantial. If you can hit a stud, great. If not, other toggle type bolts where you drill the big hole, you put it in, they butterfly out, and then you get a good hold. Now, another thing you can do is if you're redoing your whole bathroom, try and figure out where you're gonna put the towel bars and just put a little bit of blocking back there. It makes your life a lot easier, but that doesn't always happen. So, where are we gonna get started here is figuring out the actual measurements. Now, usually a 24-inch will be 24 inches between the actual hangers. So what I like to do is pre-assemble your towel bar and measure it clip to clip. Center to center, and it does look like it's 24 inches. Perfect. This one comes with an Allen key, so you can take these plates out. These are what go into the wall. You can very lightly mark out on the wall where everything's going to go with a pencil, or you can just put some green tape about where it's going to go. Now this towel bar I'm going to put at 48 inches high off the floor, and I'm going to send it over this heat duct. So first thing I want to do is get some tape on the wall and kind of eyeball where the tape's going to go. Oops. Of course it rips off. Come on. See how that is. Okay, I guess put another row above it. Man, this tape's okay. I'm going to find the center of this heat duct. Once I find the center of the heat duct or whatever you're measuring off of, you can level it up or plumb it up from there. It's a 24-inch towel bar. Like I said, I checked. You can try and get this thing on here, but by the time you mark out and use this, you may as well just mark it all out yourself. So 24, so I'm gonna go 12 from there, and 24 from here. Maybe. We want to go up 48 inches, so I'm going to mark up 48 this side. Go across, nice and level. Tape's a little off. Right like that. I like to circle where I'm going to put the holes and everything. So these don't show you the exact center point. Now if you just take and measure what you got in here, of course it's a goofy number, 5/8. So half of 5/8 is 5/16. About 5/16. Down 5/16. Same here. There we go. And again, I just circle the little ones I want to drill out. Now as a double check, I'm going to put my bar together. So put your bar together, bring it over and just double check that you're good to go. So I think that's good. Everything seems nice and centered. The next part. You drill a 5/16 hole for these here. Alright, so now place these guys in. The instructions say to fold it down so it looks like this. Hold her in, and then you take this little red tab and push it in and it expands it out. Take my tape off. Just tap this in. Take this. That just spreads out the little wings. Okay. There's an up and down. A little Allen key and your bar. You can put one side on at a time or just do them both at the same time. Get it on there, kind of hold it in place. Tighten up the Allen key. This can be tricky sometimes to get the Allen key and it takes a while. But take your time. The one snugged up. That's it. That's it. All ready for the towel.